Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we're gonna see how to watch movies for free legally. I'm going to give you 3 websites. The first one, of course, is YouTube Movies. Visit youtube.com/movies, scroll to the free with ads section. Choose from a rotating library of legally licensed movies. Playback is ad supported and completely free. The second service is Tubi. Just visit tubitv.com or download the Tubi app. Create an account to track watch history. It has a huge library of free movies and shows, 100% legal and ad supported. Now, it's Vudu. Visit vudu.com and click free in the top menu. Watch movies and TV shows with ads, which are owned by Fandango, safe to and legitimate. And finally, Freevee, which is Amazon free streaming. Access via amazon.com/freevee on the Freevee app. Included movies, shows, and even originals. No subscription required, and it is ad supported. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.